it to her, work. Now give it to her, work. Now give it to her, work. She hit you with the drum. Hey! Let's go, let's go. Who next? Y'all don't be getting no shout out, but go ahead, girl. What you got, what you got, what you got? Hydraulics. Who next? Let's go. Go shout it, it's your birthday. Now do your thing, girl, do it your way. Go shout it, it's your birthday. Do your thing, girl, now do it your way. That's that model walk on y'all. Let go. Who next? Come on, y'all. They already got real bougie on me now. Come on now, don't get shy now. Let's go. Oh, yes. Go to work, baby. Go to work, baby. Go to work, baby. Come on. Go to work, baby. You're looking good, girl. You're looking good, girl. You're looking so good. You're looking so good. You're looking so good. You're looking so good. Who next? Let's go. Oh, yeah, I already know. Oh. The real Bull Cosby. Give it to him. Hey, give it to him. Hey. No, she drove it on you. She drove it on you. Oh. Come on. Hey. Got the bus kids playing right there by the stage. Swing the keys. Let's go. Designated driver in the building. Come on. Who next? 1, 2, 3. Here he go. Oh, look, Lost. What a man. What are you? Let's go, let's go. You better just listen. All right. Come on. Yeah. We need somebody else to come. Come on, y'all. Get in, girl. Hey. Yeah. PG-13. Come on now. We got a little bit more time left. Let's go with a quack. Let's go. We're going to keep it classy on that one. Hey. Y'all got about 10 seconds. Y'all got about 30 seconds. Come on, about 30 seconds. What we got? That's it. Let's go. Yeah, see, she been paying attention. Do that prep. Do it. We're not soft, so you better just step up. Cause I'm cool, cause that's like all the sets the music play. Yo MTV Rap. We're gonna take y'all back to Planet Groove with Donnie Simpson.
Easy rock now. When I count to 3, I want you to get busy. You ready now? 1, 2, 3, get loose now.
Oh, come on. Oh, that's a robot. Pick it up.